Traveling is one of the most enriching experiences in life. When you visit new places, you discover different cultures, try new foods, and meet interesting people. Today, there are many ways to travel, and choosing the right type of transportation depends on where you are going and how much time and money you have. The most common way to travel long distances is by plane. Flying is fast and comfortable, but it can be expensive. Airports are usually located outside the city, so you need to arrive early and spend time going through security and passport control. Despite these inconveniences, flying is the best option when you need to travel to another country or a very distant city. Trains are another popular way to travel, especially in Europe and Asia. Trains are comfortable, punctual, and often more affordable than planes. You can enjoy the scenery through the window and arrive directly in the city center, which is very convenient. For shorter distances, many people travel by car or by bus. Traveling by car gives you more freedom because you can stop wherever you want. However, driving long distances can be tiring and traffic can be a problem. Buses are cheaper than cars or trains, but the journey usually takes longer. Finally, in cities, most people use public transportation such as the metro, buses, or trams to get around. Cycling is also becoming more popular in many cities as a healthy and environmentally friendly way to travel short distances.